If you're an event host looking for a space in Northwest Indiana or near Chicago, Illinois to host an event, then this tutorial video and this guide was made with you in mind. greenCOW Coworking, located at 5209 Holman Avenue in downtown Hammond, Indiana, is a co-working space that also rents out conference rooms for private meetings and public events. To help make sure every event or meeting you host at greenCOW runs smoothly, greenCOW created a guide for scheduling events, which is meant to be used in tandem with the form for scheduling events. For every event you host at greenCOW, it's mandatory you fill out the form so that we have all the necessary info gathered in one document. The links for both the form and the guide are in the description of this video. Though I highly recommend you read the guide, the purpose of this video is to summarize all the main points. There are timestamps for each section that I will be discussing in this video in the description. So if you only need to learn about one or two sections of the guide, feel free to skip to whatever section you need to learn about. You don't have to watch the whole video or read the entire guide if you don't need to. If you have any questions, feel free to send an email to staff@greencow.space or call us at 219-501-0501. Alright, let's get started. We have 4 rooms you can book for public events and for meetings: the small conference room, the medium conference room, the large conference room, and the atrium. Prices and availability are subject to change. If you're a member of greenCOW Coworking, you get the small conference room for free, and the medium and large conference rooms are 50% off. Feel free to pause this video if you need to look at this chart for a longer amount of time. This chart is also in the guide, and the link to the guide is in the description. If your event is outside of greenCOW's regular business hours, there may be an additional charge, and you will have to talk to greenCOW staff to get your event on the schedule. On a case-by-case basis, the fee for booking the room might be waived for the first event you host at greenCOW. Talk to greenCOW staff to find out if you're eligible. Though the rates for the rooms are the same whether you're booking the room for a private meeting or a public event, the process is different. I'll begin by showing you step by step how to book rooms for private meetings. Step 1. Go to www.greencow.space. Step 2. If you're a coworker at greenCOW, make sure to log in to the website so you get your membership discount when booking a room. Step 3. Click on Bookings, which can be found at the top of the website in the right-hand corner, and scroll down to find a room. Step 4. Choose the date, start time, and end time of your meeting. Make sure to click Find Available Rooms afterward. And finally, Step 5. Choose which room you want to make the booking in by clicking the Make a Booking button. It's as easy as that. Keep in mind that if your event is outside of greenCOW's regular hours of operation, you will need to email greenCOW at staff@greencow.space to schedule your private meeting. If the website tells you that the room you want is not available, please send an email to staff@greencow.space with the date, time, and room you want for your meeting so we can double check its availability. For public events, like workshops, do not book a room through the booking page on greenCOW's website. Your event will not show up on our event calendar or get promoted unless it is approved, and it can only be approved if you fill out the form for scheduling events. The link to the form is in the description below. Plus, if it's your first event, you might be able to get the fee waived, but if you book the room yourself, you will get billed. When you fill out the form and submit it, a greenCOW staff member will look at the form and either approve it, book the room, and promote it, or flag any problems with your event and work with you to fix the problems before we schedule the event. To get your event to show up on greenCOW's Facebook page, when you create the event on Facebook, be sure to add greenCOW as a co-host. You can do this by typing greenCOW Coworking in the co-host box underneath the options section when you're filling out the form on Facebook to create a public event. If your event is already scheduled on greenCOW's website and you want to change something, just send an email to staff@greencow.space and we will make the change right away. If you make a change to your event on Facebook, please make sure to inform greenCOW staff so that event information is consistent across all platforms. We don't want to confuse attendees if one website says something and another says something else. greenCOW promotes your events in a variety of ways. Events are posted on Eventbrite, Town Planner, and our Facebook event page. Every week, greenCOW also sends out a newsletter featuring our events. Events are promoted on all our social media platforms as well. We will do our best to promote your event, but greenCOW's promotion is only secondary to the promotion you do. Event hosts who promote their own events on top of our promotion tend to get many more attendees than event hosts who only use greenCOW's promotion. On a case-by-case basis, greenCOW may give you a coupon with your name on it to give to people who attend your event. This coupon will give those people a limited time free premium membership. greenCOW is putting your name on the coupon because we're partnering with you to give your event attendees a gift tied to your name. We're doing this to help you build a following and to thank you for hosting your events with us. greenCOW provides complimentary coffee, tea, water, and fruit to coworkers and attendees in the atrium. Your event attendees are welcome to enjoy anything provided in the atrium. However, if you want to provide food for your event to keep in the room you're hosting the event in, that's fine, so long as you keep the room clean and don't bring alcohol. greenCOW staff can change the conference rooms around in whatever way best accommodates your events. The medium and large conference room both have a projector and a whiteboard. The small conference room has a whiteboard and a mounted monitor. I hope that this video has been helpful. If you need more details about anything discussed in this video, you can read the guide in the description, which has more content. You can also email us at staff@greencow.space or call us at 219-501-0501. We look forward to working with you and helping your event succeed. Have a good day and a productive week.